Hi everyone, and today we are going to discuss the food budget template. And this is food budget template is very simple. You just select date, write today date or the date for purchase. After that, you select category, and this category can be alcohol, bread, drinks, meat, ready meals, sweets, and so on, meat, and so on. And after that, select what, and what can be beef, beer, candies, chocolate, coke, whiskey, water, soda, rice, meal, whatever. After that, you select how many, and how many bottle, how many kilos, and so on. After that, you put the price of the unit, the price of the gallon, the price of the price of the kilo, the price of pound, the price of unit. Okay. After that, the final price for the category will be the product of how many and the price per item. So the price of the final price of a specific category will be price per item and how many. Okay. And also you can add where you purchase or buy this unit or this food. You can buy it from grocery, fast food, coffee shops, home delivery, restaurants, whatever. Okay. Once you put your data, you will find this report, and this report will show expenses by food category and expenses by places. And this chart summarizes all this data based on the expenses by food category, and this chart summarizes the data of expenses by places. This is very simple to make food budget. I hope to use it. I hope to ask if you have any question, and thank you, and see you in the next template.